Welcome to PMDC's online lecture room. Lecture number 5th. Subject is second year chemistry. Chapter number 17, alkyl halide. The topic is mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Outlines of a lecture are nucleophilic substitution reaction, SN1 mechanism, SN2 mechanism, and the last assignment. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. The replacement of a nucleophile in a molecule by another nucleophile is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. They are represented by SN reaction. Alkyl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by two different types of mechanisms, and the type of mechanism depending upon the nature of alkyl halide. First, we are discussing SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism, or we call them SN1 reaction. SN1 stands for unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction in which only one molecule is involved in the rate determining step or slow step of reaction. These reactions are followed by tertiary alkyl halide in a polar solvent. That is, alkyl halide following different type of nucleophilic substitution reactions, but the tertiary alkyl halide follow the SN1 mechanism in a polar solvent. These reactions complete in two steps. The first step, the substrate undergoes ionization and yield carbocation. Halogen atom detaches from substrate as a halide ion. You can see in the example that is tetrabutyl chloride, that is, it is a tertiary alkyl halide, in which the slow step, which is called rate determining step, that is the breaking of the chlorine and the carbon bond break. So we get halide ion and we are getting carbonium ion, or we call them carbocation. In the second step, the entering nucleophile attacks carbocation to produce end product. This step is first step of reaction because it involves the ions. The carbonium ion, that is carbocation ion, react with a nucleophile OH in a second step and give us tertiary butyl alcohol. So it is the end product of the SN1 mechanism. The kinetic studies have shown that reaction proceeding through SN1 mechanism follow first order kinetics because in the first rate determining step we have just one molecule, that is tertiary alkyl halide. The rate of reaction depends upon only on the concentration of substrate. That is, rate of reaction is equal to K, proportionality constant, and tertiary alkyl halide. Next is SN2 mechanism. SN2 reactions or SN2 mechanism. SN2 stands for bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction in which two species are involved in the rate determining step or slow step of reaction, that is substrate molecule and nucleophile. These reactions are followed by primary alkyl halides in a non-polar solvent, that is tertiary alkyl halide following SN1 mechanism and the primary alkyl halide follow SN2 mechanism. These reactions complete in one step. The attacking nucleophile attacks the electrophile carbon atom of substrate before the leaving group departs. Entering group attack from a back side because the front side is blocked by the halogen atom. Reaction proceeds. The bond between the entering group and the substrate starts to form, and the bond between the leaving group and the substrates weaken. A transition state is formed in which both the entering and leaving groups are partially bonded to the carbon atom of substrate. Extent of bond formation on one side is equal to the extent of the bond breaking on the other side. Now, you can see here that we have the primary alkyl halide, methyl chloride, and we have nucleophile OH. The nucleophile attack from a back side and making a bond with the carbon, and from the front side the chlorine bond is weakened with the carbon. So the extent of the bond formation and the extent of the bond breaking are equal from the both sides. And in the last, this is called transition state. After transition state, we are getting final product, which is methyl alcohol plus halide ion. So the primary alkyl halides are going to the SN2 mechanisms, and SN2 mechanism is a one-step mechanism in which we have transition state, that is the transition state in which the bond being made with the nucleophile and the bond be broken with the halide ion. The kinetic studies have shown that the reaction proceeding through SN2 mechanism follows second order of kinetics, because in SN2 it is a one step, that's the first step, and in this step we have two molecules, one is substrate molecule and other one is a nucleophile. The rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of substrate and nucleophile. So when we have two molecules involved in the rate determining step, so the kinetic order show that it is a second order kinetics. Rate of reaction is equal to K, that is primary alkyl halide and nucleophile. Primary alkyl halide undergo SN2 and tertiary alkyl halides undergo SN1 mechanism. Mechanism followed by secondary alkyl halide is governed by the nature of solvent. If polar solvent is present, they follow SN1 mechanism, that is secondary alkyl halide. If the non-polar solvent is present, so the secondary alkyl halide follow SN2 mechanism. Assignment: discuss the mechanism of SN1 and SN2 reaction. Thank you.